Okay, y'all. Hello and welcome back. Welcome back and hello. I love your smile. Your smile is nice. You already know what it is and who it is. It's your girl, Poe. Looking just as regular as I can be. I don't have any makeup on, which is fine. Yeah. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and you like and you do all of that regular stuff because you're helping a girl out. This video is going to be how I do my slick back. I'm still perfecting it myself, but this is how, I kind of finesse it to really give that like wet look. So I'll have plenty of pictures you see like on my page where it's just going straight back, right? Because you just, take your brush or you brush it straight back or whatever. But this time I'm going to still do the slick back, but I'm gonna put a part in there, maybe put a little swoops in there and see if I could like add a little, spice to it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna wet my hair as much as possible, keeping my hair back with the motion of pushing it back, pushing it back. This sounds perfect if, right after wash day or right after you get in the shower, after your hair gets wet in some type of way. This is the perfect style to do after that. So my hair is completely wet and it is detangled. Now that it's detangled, I'm gonna just try to keep it as wet as possible while shaping it towards the back. But like I mentioned before, I said I wanted to, I don't know, what's going on. So we're just about to see what happens. So I'm using this got to be glued, but I'm gonna try to comb it through my hair too, so that it try to get the back of my head and it doesn't get all puffy. have more of a got out of the swimming pool wet kind of look instead of always having it straight to the back. And I'll just keep perfecting it to see how long the style can last depending on how much of what I put in. But so far it lasts pretty long. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked. If you have any suggestions, let me know. We'll see you later.